cheekyricho's 3-ingredient pretzel turtles. We're using some pretzels, some little Rolo chocolates that have caramel in the centre, so we're just going to pop a Rolo on top of each of our pretzels. Then it's on with a pecan nut or pecan nut. Try and pick some pretty ones if you can, and we're just going to sit them on top like so. Bake them in the oven for no more than about 3 or 4 minutes until they're really quite melted, and you can squash the pecan down onto the chocolate. The chocolate will melt, it's got the caramel inside it. So just go through your bag of pecans and make sure that you've got some nice shaped ones that aren't too beaten up. Defeats the purpose. You could do this with little mini Easter eggs if you like to for Easter. So into the oven we go, 180 degrees Celsius for just 3 or 4 minutes until that chocolate melts. Okay, after about 3 minutes, this is what you should have. The chocolate's melted down in amongst the pretzels. They're very hot. Just pop them out onto a tray to cool. And there you have it, cheekyricho's 3-ingredient pretzel turtles. They're still a bit warm. Just pick one up and have a taste. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of cheekyricho's pretzel turtles. Why not check out our channel and subscribe? That's really good. Thanks for watching.